Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Bitcoin, we are trading at $20,745. Notice already that is today's high here. We are down 3.13% in volume, and market cap, we are down 0.19%. All right, so heading over to our daily chart here, we can see prices retrace up to 78% of our fib, but most importantly here, we have this gorgeous body of our candlestick here engulfing the previous two candlesticks. So we've got a lot of buying pressure again, which is really good to be able to see this as our next target is going to be 20,900. If we take a look at the MACD indicator here, we can see again lightness in the color. However, the two lines of our MACD line and our signal line are further apart, meaning that is gradually going to continue this bull run that we have here for Bitcoin on a daily time frame. The candlestick wick at the very bottom here does seem like it has gone into our supply and demand from 20,000 all the way to 20,200. So we are going to be watching very closely to this as this is an area of support here. Now let's head over quickly to our 4-hour time frame because this is going to be very exciting here to see. First off, on the RSI, we can see it has initiated in the last two candles a buying opportunity here as soon as we see the strike through, and the RSI shot up as high as 58%. A couple of peaks here for 58%. We see a pullback at 57% and another pullback here at 24%. Let's go ahead and measure our momentum in this huge bull run that we've got here for Bitcoin. So here is our momentum. It does look like possibly going to cross over. And if it crosses over at a critical point of a high RSI that we have seen here, then essentially the next target we are going to come up to is 20,800 here, or exactly at this point here at 20,900. We can see again a few of our candlesticks here retrace down to this level on Saturday, October 29th, and that's essentially the next area of our target. Now, if we quickly take a look at the price action of our previous candlesticks here, we can see that we've been making a lot of higher low candlesticks and eventually broke through it in this candlestick line here and retraced to an area of support. One of the things too to observe on the 4-hour time frame is the narrowing of the Bollinger Bands here. We can see the upper band and the lower band, and eventually it is going to squeeze in and break out, we're hoping, in the uptrend, because if this turns into green for our MACD line and the RSI is gradually coming up to a peak here of an area of resistance, then we're going to break out in an uptrend and venture off in hopefully the 21,000. But let's take a look at our 2-hour time frame. So we can see this narrow channel here. Price is consolidating through resistance to an area of support, breaking above the 20 MA. The RSI here again is high as 65%. Following the cursor on the left-hand side, same kind of peak here on October at 68% at an area of resistance at the peak of our MACD trend as well. So this looks like it's the uptrend or the start of this trend, and if it continues to expand, we are going to see that 20,800 retest in the next couple of hours in target for 21,000. Now, normally in these trend lines that angle downwards, there's normally a retest if we can at the very bottom of this trend line to continue upwards depending on the volume, and we see the volume here is accelerating and increasing. So if that retest is not going to occur because the volume is pumping extremely fast here, then we may just target to retest the 20,800. So let me know what you guys think down below. It's pretty exciting here to see this outburst for Bitcoin, and hopefully we can be able to rally and continue up to the 21,000, and a lot of other altcoins can follow as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.